Kamri, and this is my first YouTube channel. The videos that I plan to make include photography, travel vlogs, art, dance, hair and makeup, like this one. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget to ring the bell to be notified for any future content. So today, I'm going to show you to do this soft pink look, and let's get started. So the foundation that I'll be using is from Is Cosmetic, and it's in the shade Medium Tan. And also I'm going to mix that with Cliquey in shade 8 Golden Neutral. And I'm just going to mix it on this palette. And I'll just be mixing that up with the brush. And first off, I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the Pro palette from Maybelline. And I'll be using this color and this color. And then next up, I'll be doing my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the All I See Is Magic from ColourPop. And I'll be using the colors for the transition shade, this one, and this one. And then the color that I'm going to be using next is this one in the corner. And then I'll be going into another palette, the Modern Renaissance, and I'll be using the color Love Letter. And then from the back to the ColourPop, I'll be using this shimmery shade in the inner corner of my eye, and then with this gold color as well. And then the gold one in my inner eye. Okay. And then next off, I'm going to put on the Falsies. It's the Wispies. It's from Salon Perfect. I'll be using the eyelash glue from Duo. And I'll let that dry for a little bit. And I'll be using tweezers to put it on. And then the next guy, and I'll be doing the same thing as well. And then to clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to use my concealer. I'll be using the concealer from Maybelline. And it's in the color 30 Light Medium. And for my lips, I'm going to use the matte lipstick from NYX in the shade in Conform. And then I'm gonna line it up from ColourPop, this shade. Yeah, I don't know what color it is. And now we're gonna do hair and makeup, the hair. And I'm gonna use Conceal to curl my hair, and I'm gonna put it on number 19, and it's an inch or a half inch. Just gonna curl it all around. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a braid to this because my bangs they're discolored. And then I'm just gonna loose up the braid a little bit. And then I'll be tying these two together. And to just cover up the tie in the back, I'm gonna grab a flower. And I'm just gonna put that in the back. And this is the final look. Oh, and this is my outfit. This is from Forever 21 and this is from Mommy. Which you can't see, but okay. I'm so sorry, I'm awkward. Okay, so this is the final makeup and hair look. I hope you enjoyed and please subscribe and like. Bye!